Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 17, Telling Time. In this tutorial, we will learn how to ask and answer the question, what time is it? To ask what time is it, you say, Anong oras na? Ano means what. Nang serves as linker between ano and the next word, oras. So, instead of ano oras, we say anong oras. Oras means time. Na means already. Although its literal translation is what time already, anong oras na is the Tagalog equivalent of what time is it. In telling time in the Philippines, we normally use the Spanish number system. We also use the Spanish time marker ala before 1 and alas before succeeding numbers. Alas singular and alas plural mean o'clock. Here's how you tell the time from 1 to 12 o'clock. Although the numbers are in Spanish and sound like Spanish, example cuatro, we use Tagalog spelling, example cuatro, and don't forget, only 1 o'clock uses the time marker ala. From 2 to 12 o'clock, use alas. Alauna, alas dos, alas tres, alas cuatro, alas cinco, alas seis, alas siete, alas ocho, alas nueve, alas 10, alas 11, alas 12. Let's practice asking what time is it? Anong oras na? Assuming it is already 2 o'clock, your response will be alas dos na. Now it's your turn. Tell the time by using the time marker ala or alas, followed by the time in Spanish, but spelled in Tagalog of course, pointed by the arrow. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Anong oras na? This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!